not software, not hardware. Today, we're diving into Wetware, the powerful, living system inside our brains that bridges the gap between artificial intelligence and human consciousness. What is Wetware? Wetware refers to the human brain and nervous system, the original processor of all our thoughts, feelings, and decisions. The biological system powers human intelligence, far more adaptable than any machine. Let's compare the three pillars of computing: hardware, software, and wetware. Only wetware can make ethical choices, feel empathy, or invent something new. That's your strategic edge. Wetware versus software versus hardware. Who wins the intelligence war? Hardware is the physical machinery, fast but fixed in function. Software is the coded logic, programmable but bound by its design. Wetware is the human brain, biological, adaptive, and endlessly creative. Human brain versus machine logic. What's smarter? In a world of automation and AI, Wetware, the human brain, is still your most powerful business tool. Why? Because Wetware brings judgment, intuition, and value-driven leadership. A great strategy isn't just data, it's insight. That's something only Wetware delivers. Empowering Wetware in your team, that's where innovation begins. Today's MBA takeaways. Even artificial intelligence today is modeled after Wetware, using neural networks that simulate brain activity. Technology isn't replacing Wetware, it's trying to connect to it. The goal? Not to replace us, but to integrate. The future is human plus machine. Wetware tech in action. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, the direct bridge between the brain and machines. Wetware tech, Neuralink, smart drugs and brain interfaces. The future is here. Brain chips and human, machine mergers. For leaders and managers, Wetware isn't just a science term, it's a strategic concept. The key to future-ready leadership: understand and leverage human intelligence, not just artificial intelligence. Wetware is your most valuable asset. Use it wisely, and you lead the future. Leadership insight. MBA leaders, use your Wetware before the software. Leading with the brain. What MBAs must know about Wetware? In a world where technology advances faster than ever, true leadership will not come from machines, but from those who understand how to work with them. Wetware isn't just biology, it's strategic capital. For the MBA mind, this is more than a concept, it's a competitive advantage. The future belongs to those who can merge human insight with intelligent systems. Use your Wetware, not just to adapt, but to lead. The most important thing is knowing how to lead your team into an era beyond artificial intelligence, unlocking the true value of an MBA leader. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our latest videos. Cheers for watching, see you next time.